Today we will start the lecture on construction management and law. So already we have discussed in last lectures the concept related to how to find out the total float, how to find out the earliest starting time, earliest finish time, latest start time, latest finish time. So we have already studied and we have already drawn the network diagrams and we have identified the critical path. We have discussed how to find out the duration for critical path. In short, what is critical path? The longest path or the longest duration for completion of a project is nothing but a critical path. Okay. So critical path, we have to first find out the critical path. First we have to draw the network diagram depending upon the durations, and then we have to calculate the EST, LFT, earliest starting time and latest finish time, and then depending upon that we have to calculate the remaining things, that is EFT we have to calculate, earliest finish time we have to calculate, then we have to calculate latest finish time, then we have to calculate total float, and depending upon the total float we have to identify the path as a critical path. Okay. So these things to be calculated. So just I have taken this things, that is these are used, that is we have to calculate EST, earliest starting time, latest finish time. Okay. So we have to draw first the network diagrams. So first these are the tables which has been the given data, it has been given as activity. These are the number of activities 1 2 1 3 2 4 up to the 9 10. These are the various activities are there. Then durations is also given. For 1 2 there is duration of 4 days or 4 weeks. So 4 1 1 1 6 10 4 8 1 2 1 8 7. So these are the various activity durations, and these are the activities. These are given, and depending upon this activity and this depending upon these durations, first we have to draw the network diagrams, and then after drawing the network diagrams, out of these 4 quantities, first we have to find out the EST, that is the earliest starting time and latest finish time. Okay. So these two things already we have discussed in last lectures. Depending upon these two things, we will further find out the EFT, that is the earliest finish time, then we will find out the LST, that is the latest start time, and then depending upon this we will find out the total float. After finding out the total float, we will find out the critical path and its durations. Okay. So this one by one we will find out the different things. First basically we will draw the network diagram depending upon the activity and its durations. Okay. So most important is to draw the network diagram depending upon the activity and durations. Okay. So already we have discussed how to draw the network diagrams. So we will see depending upon this activity. Okay, we will start the problem. 1 to 2. So activity 1 to 2, it is having a duration for 4. 4 is the duration for this 1 to 2. So first we will draw the activity. Okay. So 1 to 2 is nothing but the first activity. The first activity is 1, which is starting from 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. That means 1 is the starting point for the both the activities. 1 is the starting event for the both the activities, 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. That means 1 is the starting point for this. Okay. So we will draw the 1 as starting point. So first we will copy this. Already we have taken this template here. So by using this template we can draw this. So we will find out, and we will draw this as 1. Okay. So this is nothing but starting point is 1. This is nothing but 1 to 2. Okay. And 1 to 3. Okay. And we will draw the diagrams arrow also. Okay. So here we have drawn 1 to 2. 1 is the starting point, 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. What is the duration for 1 to 2? It is for 4 days. So again we will copy this. It is for 4 days. Four. And what about this? It is 1. 1 to 3 is 1. So we have taken this as 1. Okay. So 4 and 1. So these are the durations which has been given, 1 and 4. 4 is, it has been given for 1 to 2, and 1 to 3 it has been given as 1. Okay. What about next durations? Next activity is 2 to 4. Again it is having 1 and 3 to 4. Again it is having a duration for 1 days or 1 weeks. Okay, so 2 to 4, that means 2 is the starting point and end point is 4. 3 is the starting point and end point is 4. That means 2 and 3 they are ending at the same point, that is 4. 2 and 3 they are ending at the same point, that is 4. That means 4 will be at center. So we will draw somewhat here. 4 we will draw at center, that is same point we will draw. Somewhat here we will draw this as 4. Okay, so here we are having 2 to 4 as 1, so 2 to 4, yes, 2 to 4, and also we will have this as 3 to 4. 3 to 4. What about 2 to 4? Here durations for 2 to 4 it has been given as 1, so we will copy this 1 as it is. And what about the durations for 3 to 4? So 3 to 4 it is having the same, again 1, so we will copy again this as 1 here also. Okay, so in this way this durations has been given 2 to 4 and 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. What is next? The starting point it has been 3 to 5. 3 to 5 it is having a duration for 6. So 3 to 5 we will draw in somewhat here. So 3 to 5 it is having a durations for 6. So 3 to 5 it is having a duration for 6. 3 to 5. Three to 5. Okay, okay. So 3 to 5 we have taken as how many days? It is 6. So we will copy this. We will copy this as 6. Okay. So 3 to 5 it has been 6. 4 to 9 it has been 10 days. Okay. So 4 to 9 it is having 10 days. That means 10 is again it is having vast duration is there. So we will draw somewhat this 4 to 9 it is having 10 days. So we will again copy this 9 and we will draw from 4 line, we will draw here somewhat as 9. Four to 9 as 10 days. So again we can draw this arrow here also. Yes, so 4 to 9 we will have as 10 days. So we will copy this and we will paste here. It is for 10 days. Okay, so 4 to 9 it has been 10 days. What is next? 5 to 6. This 5 to 6 it is for 5 to 6 it is for 4 days, and 5 to 7, that means 5 is the starting point for both the case. So 5 to 6 and 5 to 7. So 5 is the starting point. So we will have two things here. So 5 to 6 and 5 to 7. So here there will be 5 to 6 and 5 to 7. Five to 6, 9, 5 to 7. So 5 to 6 and 5 to 7. Okay. So here 5 to 6 it has been given as 4 days. So first we will draw the arrows for this 5 to 6 and 5 to 7. Okay. So we will draw this as 5 to 7. The starting point is same, 5 to 6 and 5 to 7. So 5 to 6 it is for 4 days. So we will copy this 4 days as it is here. Yes, it is for 4 days. 5 to 6 it is for 4 days, and 5 to 7 it is for 8 days. So 5 to 7 we will copy this again, we will copy this, and we will have this as 8 days, and we will edit this for 8 days. Yes, 8 days. So in this way we have completed up to this 5 to 6 it is for 4 days, and 5 to 7 it is for 5 to 7 it is for 8 days. What is next? 6 to 8 it is for 6 to 8 it is for 1 day, and 7 to 8, that means 8 is just end point for both the case. Okay, so we have starting from 6, we are ending at 8, and we are starting from 7, and we are ending at 8. That means 8 it is having the same common point. So we will have this 8 common point as in center of this. So this is nothing but 8. Okay. So 6 to 8 and 6 to 8 and 7 to 8. Okay. So this 7 to 8. So 6 to 8 and 7 to 8. What is 6 to 8? 6 to 8 is it is for 1 day. So we will copy this one here. 7 to 8. What is 7 to 8? 7 to 8 it is having a duration for 2 days. So we will copy again this, and we will edit this as 2 days. So we have taken this. Okay. So here 6 to 8 it has been 1 day, 7 to 8 it has been for 2 days. What about next? Next is 8 to 9. That means 8 it is starting point is 8 and end point is 9. That means these are meeting at same point. So we will copy this 8 to 9. So we will directly form an arrow for this. So 8 to 9 it has been directly given as 8 to 9. So 8 to 9 it has been given as 1 day. So directly we have taken this as 1 day. This we will take this as 1 day. Okay. So 8 to 9 it has been 1 day. What about next? 8 to 10. That means 8 is the starting point for 9 also, and 8 is the starting point for 10 also. So 8 to 9 and 8 to 10. That means 8 to 10. That means we will take this as 10 somewhat here. So we will copy this again, and we will take this as 10 here. Okay. So 8 to here 8 to 10 and 9 to 10. That means 8 is also having the end point as 10, 9 is also having 8 is also having a end point as 10, and 9 is also having a end point as 10. So we have taken this as 9 to 10 and 8 to 10. What about 8 to 10? 8 to 10 it is having a duration for 8 days. So we will copy this 8 days here. 8 to 10 is having for 8 days. Yes. And what about 9 to 10? 9 to 10 it is having for 7 days. So we will copy and edit for 7 days. Copy and edit for 7 days. So in this way we have completed all the things. Okay. So we have completed all the things. Here we have drawn the network diagram depending upon this activity and depending upon the durations. In this way we have calculated first we have drawn the network diagrams. So we have drawn the network diagrams depending upon the activity and durations. So you have already seen how we have drawn the network diagrams. So drawing the network diagram is very very important. The interdependency of the previous activity with the next activity and its duration is also very important. Okay. So depending upon this activity and depending upon these durations, we have drawn the network diagrams. It is very very important. This question it has already been asked for 7 to 8 marks in previous exams. Same type of problems with different activities and durations. It can be asked for 7 to 8 marks. Okay. So here beyond this drawing the network diagram, we have to calculate the different things. Already we have discussed in last lectures. Calculations of EST and LFT is very important. That is earliest starting time and latest finish time. So this EST and LFT will be depending on these activities. Okay, these durations. So these two things we have to calculate. That is the EST, earliest starting time, and lastly as LFT, that is the latest finish time. So here I have taken this template here. So directly we will copy this template and we will edit this template depending upon the various things. Okay. So first I am copying this template which is very important. Then we will see the different things. Okay. So I am copying here it is for this activity. Yes. So this it is for this 0, or we can shift this somewhat here. So we have to first find out the earliest starting time and latest finish time. So we have shifted here somewhat upside this diagram because these things to be calculated. So here these two things to be calculated is very important, that is the earliest starting time and latest finish time of each activities. If each event, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So out of this all these things we will calculate EST and LST for everything. Okay. So first we will calculate earliest starting time and latest finish time. So already we have discussed in last lectures how to find out the earliest starting time. The earliest starting time, it will be it will be in forward directions, and we will it will be dependent on the arrowhead. Here is the arrowhead and it is tail. Okay. So head and tail. So head is nothing but used for the EST, that is the earliest starting time, and it has been calculated in the forward directions, whereas LFT, latest finish time, it will be calculated in backward directions and it will be dependent on tail end. Okay, it will be dependent on tail activities. Okay, so we will first find out the various things. So just I am calculating this EST and LFT. So first for the starting point, EFT and LST, EST and LFT, it is the 0 0. That means there is no as such value because 1 is the starting point. There is no as such durations for this. So therefore EST and LFT, it is 0 and 0. Same to be copied here. So I am copying this same blocks for every activity and this. Then we will proceed further. Okay. So this it has been used for every activities. Okay. So in this way we have copied this EST and LFT for each and every events. Okay. So then we will calculate the various things. One by one we will calculate the different things. This it is to be little bit moved here because it has been overlapped here. Okay. Okay. So it's okay. So it is to be calculated in forward directions. So 1 to 2. So 1 to 2. That means 0 is the first. We will find out the EST in forward directions, and then next after completion up to 10, we will in reverse direction find out the LFT. That is the latest finish time. We will find out in reverse directions. So first we will find out for all activities EST, the earliest starting time for 1 2 1 3 1 4 and and so on. So first we will find out for EST. So EST for this is 1 to 2. So 1 to 2, 2 is having only one arrow, that is one head. That means only 4 plus 0, that means 0 plus 4. 4 is the starting point, 4 is the durations, and 0 is the initial value. So 4 plus 0 is nothing but 4. That means this is nothing but 4. It is same for this. Okay. So here is the EST for 1 and 2. What about next? Next EST is 3. Is there any start end point for this? So 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So only one directions is there, 1 2 3. So 0 plus 1, it is nothing but 1. So we will copy this as directly as 1 here. So here we have started from this one event 1 to 2 in forward directions. We have calculated EST. So 4 plus 0 is nothing but 4. Again 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 is the duration for this. 1 plus 0 EST, starting point EST, earlier starting time we have taken as 0. So 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. So in this way we have calculated for 2 and 3 events. What about 4? 4 is having 2 heads. Okay, 2 heads. 1, it has 4, it is having 2 converging points, that is 1 to 4, 1 2 and 4. Next is having 1 3 and 4. That means the largest durations we will take. So 1 2 and 4, it is having as 4 plus 1 as 5, or this EST as 4 plus 1 as 5, whereas this 3 to 4, it is having 1 plus 1 as 2. So what is the maximum value? Maximum value is 5. This 4 plus 1 as 5, whereas 1 for this durations and EST already previous EST and duration, previous EST and duration. So 1 plus 1 is 2, whereas EST and previous duration is nothing but 1 plus 4, that is 5. So what is maximum? Maximum value is 5, so we will calculate as 5. So we will take this as 5. Yes. Okay, so we have taken as 5, maximum value as 5. EST to be calculated and to be taken as a maximum value. So maximum value in the forward directions we have taken as EST as 5. Next is we will we will proceed towards the event as 5, serial number 5. Serial number 5, it is having only one converging points. What is that converging points? It is nothing but the only this 3 it has been converged here. Okay, so this 3 it has been converged here. That means 3 it is having this point. So 6 plus 1, so 6 plus 1 it has been taken as 7. So we will directly take this as 7. So we will copy this 7 and we will paste here. So how we have calculated this? So this is nothing but 6. 6 is the duration plus EST previous, it is nothing but 1. Okay, what is 6? 6 it is having again the one converging point, that is nothing but 6 is having only one point, that is one head. That means from 5 to 6 it is having only one head. Okay, so that means already we have calculated for previous EST as 7 and the duration is 4. So 7 plus 4 is nothing but 11. So we will copy this 1 and we will add again for this 1, 11. Okay, we have calculated for 6. What about 7? So 7 again it is having one point. That one point is nothing but the 5 to 7. Okay, so 5 it has been taken as 7. So 7 plus 8 is nothing but 15. So we will copy this and we will have this as 15. 15. Next is 8. Yes, but 8 is having 6 to 8 and 7 to 8. That means we can calculate from 6 EST also and we can calculate from 7 EST also. Okay, so the maximum we will take as 11 plus 1 as 12 and 15 plus 2. So 15 plus 2 as 17. So 11 plus 1 as 12 and 15 plus 2 as 15 plus 2 as 17. So what is the maximum? The maximum value is 17. So we will take this as 17 value. The maximum value for EST to be calculated, it is to be taken earlier starting time. Next, what about 9? 9 it is again having the 2 points. Okay, the first point is 4 to 9, next is 8 to 9. Okay, so again 9 is having 2 heads, 2 arrows. So first arrow is from 4 to 9 and next arrow is from 8 to 9. That means 4 it is having EST as 5. So 5 plus 10 is 15. What about this? Next 8 to 9. 8 to 9 is nothing but 17 is the previous activity. 17 plus 1 is 18. So what is the maximum value? The maximum value is 18. So we will take this as 18. The maximum value as 18. Okay, so this how this 18 comes, because this 9 is having 2 heads, 2 arrows is there. First is coming from 4 to 9, next is coming from 8 to 9. So 4 to 9, 4 is having EST as 5. So 5 plus 10 is 15. Whereas 8 to 9, so 8 to 9 is having this 17. 17 is the EST. 17 plus 1 is 18. So what is the maximum? Out of this 15 and 18, maximum is 18. So we have taken as 18. Next is last activity. Last activity is nothing but the this 10. 10 is again it is 9 to 10 and 8 to 10. So 9 is having EST as 18. So 18 plus 7, 18 plus 7 is nothing but 25, and this 17 plus 8. So 17 plus 8 again it is having a 25. Okay, so 17 plus 8 and 18 plus 7, it is one and the same. In some cases it may be as such that the EST it may be same. So here 25 is the same value, so we can take for both as 75 or 25. So we will copy this and we will take this as 25. In this way, we have calculated EST, that is the earliest starting time, in the forward directions. So we have started from first event and we have ended at 10th event, and we have calculated all the ESTs. Okay, so we have calculated the EST for 1 and 2, we have calculated for 1 and 3, 3 to 4. Next is we have calculated for 3 to 5 and so on up to 10th. That means EST to be calculated in forward directions. So earlier starting time we have calculated in forward directions. Same procedure to be followed in order to calculate the LFT, but LFT to be calculated in the backward directions, and it is the least value. Okay, and we will take the least value. In EST, that is the earliest starting time, we have taken the maximum value and we have calculated in forward directions, whereas while calculating LST, that is the latest finish time, we will calculate in backward directions and we will take the least value. And we will see the tail ends. We will see in EST we have seen the head arrow, and for calculations of LFT, that is the latest finish time, we will see the tail ends. As we have started EST and LFT with 0 0 and we will end it with EST as 25 and LFT, again the end point is same, so therefore again we will have the same value as EST and LFT as 25 and 25. So we have started with 0 0 and ended at EST and LFT as 25 and 25, because the total durations required for completion is 25 and 25, whether it is earliest starting time or whether it is the latest finish time. Start and end should be same. So starting is 0 0, end is 25 and 25. So always we have to take LFT end point as the same as the EST. So EST we have calculated as 25 in forward direction, the same we have to take for LFT. After taking this LFT as the 25, then we will calculate in backward directions. So we will start. So 10 after 10, the in reverse direction is the 9. So 9, it is having only one tail ends, that is coming from 10. So that means 25 minus 7. So 25 minus 7 is nothing but the 18. So we will take this LFT as 18 directly, the same as 18. Okay. Next is 8th event is nothing but this point, 1 by 1 serial numbers. So we have calculated first for 10 serial number, next we have calculated for 9 serial number, next we are calculating for 8 serial number. So 8 is having again 2 tail ends. Okay, so one tail end it has been coming from 9 to 8, next tail end it has been coming from 10 to 8. That means we can calculate from 9 to 8 also, 10 to 8 also. So we'll see which is the least. So 18 is the LFT. Here we are deducting the values. In earliest starting time we have added, but while calculating for latest finish time we will subtract the durations. So 18 minus 1 is nothing but 17. What about this? Again 25 minus 8 is nothing but the 17. That means again it is having the same value as 17. So we can is the same value as 17. So up to this the path is same. It is having the same LFT, that is the latest finish time. Then serial number is 7. So we will come towards 7. Okay. The earliest LFT for previous is nothing but 17. So 17 minus 2, it is having only one tail end. So only one tail end is there, and it has been coming from 8 to 7. That means 8 to 7 is the only path for calculation of LFT, that is the latest finish time. 17 is the LFT for previous. So LFT 17 minus 2, so it will be taken as 15. So directly we will take this as 15, the same as 15. What about 6? 6 is again coming from 8 to 6. So 8 to 6 is nothing but again the same path. So 17 minus 1. So 17 minus 1. 17 is the 8 activity. 8 is having the LFT as 17, and we are deducting the durations. So 17 minus 1. So 17 minus 1 is the 16. So we will have this as 17 minus 1 is 16, and we will edit this and we will take this as 16. Okay, what is the next serial number? Next serial number is 5, but yes, 5 is having two converging points, that is the 6 to 5 and 7 to 5. Okay, so 6 to 5 and 7 to 5. So first we will find out for 6 to 5. So 6 is having LFT as 16. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 16 minus 4 is 12. What about 7? 7 is having 15. 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8 is nothing but 7. Okay. So 15 minus 8 is nothing but the 7. So out of this 12, 16 minus 4 is 12, and 15 minus 8 is 7. So what is the least value? Least value for LFT is 7. So we will, instead of 12, we will take as 7, because 7 is the least value. So we will take this as 7. 7 is the least value. Yes. Next after 5 we will calculate for 4. 4 is having only one endpoint, that is 9 to 4. So that means we have to calculate from this 9. So 18 is the value for LFT. 18 minus duration, that is 10. So 18 minus 10 is 8. That means this is nothing but 8. So we will calculate and we will take this as 8. Okay. Next way, next is nothing but the calculations for this. What is the next calculations? So here we have calculated the value for this. The previous value for LFT was 18. 18 minus 10 is nothing but 8. So LFT for this activity 4 is LFT for this event 4 is nothing but 8. What is the next activity? Next activity is 2. So again it is having only one converging point. So therefore 4 to 2 is the one converging point. So 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So we will have this as value as 7. So we will copy this and we will take this 7 here. Directly we will take this value 7 here. What about 3? 3 is again having the two converging points, 4 to 3 and 5 to 3. So 5 to 3 it is having as 5 to 3. So 5 it is having as 7. 7 minus 6 is nothing but 1. What about 4 to 3? 4 to 3 it is having 8 minus 1, that is 7. So out of this 7 and 1, which is the least value? So least value is 1. So we have taken this as 1. The least value for LFT we have taken as 1. So directly we will take this as 1 as directly here. And in this way we have calculated all the values. So in this way we have calculated all the values. We have calculated EST in forward directions and LFT in backward directions, and we have written in the blocks. These blocks are very important. First we have to calculate the earliest starting time, then we have to calculate the earliest latest finish time. So depending upon this we have calculated all the things. And next step is nothing but we have to draw the Excel sheet, or we have to feed the data in the tabular form. So we will see the tabular form here. After calculations of this we will find out, or we will see the things in the tabular form. Okay. This template it has no more use. So next is nothing but we have to draw the table. So I have copied the same figure and the same things to be calculated, and I have copied the same figure in the Excel sheet, and the same network diagram which I have already drawn. The same network diagrams we have used here, and we have to feed the data in the tabular forms. So here I have drawn the tables. First is nothing but the same which has been mentioned as the given data, that is activity and durations. So these are the same. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate EST, that is the earliest starting time. Then we have to calculate earliest finish time. Then we have to calculate latest start time. Then we have to calculate latest finish time, and then finally we have to calculate the total float. Okay. So these are the various things to be calculated. So I have drawn the various columns for this. EST we have drawn a first column. Then we have drawn the earliest finish time, latest start time, latest finish time, and total floats. Again, these things we have already discussed in the previous lectures, or we will delete this. I will explain the thing once again. Okay. Which things to be calculated? So here EST, that is earliest starting time and latest finish time, it already we have calculated in the network diagrams. The same to be written here. So here EST will be calculated here. We will feed the same EST here, and LFT, that means the sixth column, that means third and sixth column. This third and sixth column to be calculated or to be written depending upon this network diagrams. Okay. So this third column we will feed depending upon this network diagrams, and LFT again we will feed depending upon this network diagrams. One thing to be kept in mind, while feeding this EST, we have to see the starting number, that is the 1 2 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 3 4 is the starting number while feeding EST. Okay. Whereas while feeding LFT, that is the latest finish time, we have to see the end number, that is 2 3 4 4 5 6 5 9 6, because it is finish. Okay. Latest finish time, that means finish activity. Finish activity is 2 3 4 4 5 5. ठीक है. While feeding LFT we have to see the last number, that is 234, and while feeding this earliest starting time we have to see the initial numbers, that is 1 1 2 3 3 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 8 9. These are the starting numbers. ठीक है. तो we'll feed one by one. ठीक है. तो 1 2, तो 1 2, तो 1 2 it is having the starting number as 1. तो for one activity, for this one, what is EST? EST is 0. So we will find out, or we will write down as 0. ठीक है. Again 1 3, तो 1 3, तो 1 is the starting point, and what is the value for 1 as EST? 0. So we will take this as 0. Next is 2 4, 2 4, what is the starting point as 2? So 2, what is the value for EST for 2? No, value for EST for serial number 2 is 4. So we will write down here as 4. 3 4, 3 4, the 3 4, the third is the starting numbers, and what is the EST value for this? It is 1. So here we will write down as 1. 3 5, 3 5, so again 3 is the starting number. What is the EST for 3? Again 1. Okay. 4 9, 4 to 9, so 4 is the starting numbers. 4 to 9, so 4 is the starting number. The 4 EST is nothing but 5. 4 EST number is 5. 5 to 6, 5 to 6, starting number is 5. What is the EST for 5 numbers? That is 7. 5 to 7, so 5 to 7, so 5 is the starting numbers. What is the EST value for 5? Again 7. 6 to 8, so 6 to 8, so what is the starting number? 6. 6 EST value is 11. 7 to 8, 7 to 8, so starting number is 7. 7 EST is 15. 8 to 9, 8 to 9, so 8 to 9, starting number is 8. What is the EST value for 8? That is 17. Again 8 to 10, 8 to 10, so 8 is the starting number. What is the EST value for this? 17. 9 to 10, 9 to 10, the starting number is 9. What EST value for this is nothing but 18. So in this way we have first written down the EST values depending upon the starting numbers, starting activities. So here starting is nothing but 1 1 2 3 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 8 and 9. These are the starting numbers, and depending upon the starting numbers we have feed the EST values. Okay. Next, LFT to be calculated for end values, because finish. So LFT for 1 2, 1 2, 2 is the finish point, and what is the LFT for finish? That is 7. Yes. Then 1 3, 1 3, 3 is the finish point, and LFT for finish is nothing but 1. 2 4, 2 4 is the finish point. What is the LFT for this? 8. 3 4, 3 4, 4 is the finish point. What is the LFT for this? 8. 3 5, 3 5, 3 5, 5 is the finish point. LFT for this is nothing but 7. 4 9, 4 9, 9 is the end point. LFT for this is nothing but 18. 5 6, 5 6, 6 is the end. LFT for this is nothing but 16. 5 7, 5 7, 7 is the end. LFT for this is nothing but 15. 5 7. 6 8, 8 is the end. 17. LFT for this is 17. 7 8, 8 is the end. Again 17. 8 9, 9 is the end. 18. LFT for this is nothing but 18. 8 10, 8 10, 10 is the end point. So LFT for this is nothing but 25. 25. 9 10, 9 10, 10 is the end point. LFT for this is again 25. So we have feed the LFT depending upon the end points. We have feed the EST depending upon the starting numbers. Okay. So depending upon end numbers we have feed the LFT, starting numbers EST. So depending upon this, again we have to find out the remaining columns, that is the earliest finish time and the latest start time. Earliest finish time to be added, while calculating this earliest finish time we have to add the durations. Okay. So here EST to be added with durations, we can have the earliest finish time. The earliest finish time to be calculated when it is added with the durations. EST will be added with the durations to calculate EFT. EFT equal to EST plus durations. What is EFT? EFT is nothing but EST plus durations. So here I am writing down the formula for EFT as EFT equal to EST and plus durations. ड्यूरेशन, EST प्लस ड्यूरेशंस, ठीक है. तो EFT is nothing but EST plus duration. Same way, what is nothing but first we will find out. Okay, we will find out this EFT. So EFT that is equals to this plus this, that means 4, ठीक है. Same to be repeated this. So this way we have calculated each value. So this 7 plus 4 11, 7 plus 8 15, 11 plus 1 12, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 1 18, 17 plus 8 25 and 25, ठीक है. In this way additions. Then I am writing down the formula for LST. What is LST? So LST that is equals to LFT minus durations. It will be deductions, ठीक है. So it is LFT minus durations. Okay. Okay, what is LST? So here I am writing down that LST as LST. LST to be calculation. LST is equals to LFT, and it is added with duration, ठीक है. So this is nothing but LST. So here I have written as this. The LST is LFT plus durations, or we can write down here formula also, that is nothing but EST. EFT is nothing but just the addition for this. So this addition is column. I am writing down the column numbers, ठीक है. Don't be confused. I am writing down the column numbers as 3 plus 2, ठीक है. So this 3 plus 2 is not the numbers, it is the column numbers. Column number 3 plus column number 2 is nothing but this. What about this? So it is nothing but 6 plus column number 6 minus, here it is minus, column number 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2. So this 6, when it is deducted with the durations, we can calculate this. So this is nothing but 6 minus 2, 3, ठीक है. तो 7 minus 4 3, again 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 8 minus 1 7, 8 minus 1 again 7, 7 minus 6 1, and so on, ठीक है. तो this we can calculate it by sorry, this part is minus sign, ठीक है. This is minus sign, ठीक है, minus sign. So this, the formula is for minus sign. Yes, sorry. So it is for minus sign. So in this way we have calculated all this, okay. So after finding out this, we can find out the total float. Total float is just the subtraction of EST, earliest start time and latest finish time. So this to be subtracted, or this to be subtracted, finish to be subtracted, or starting to be subtracted. So we can take this as starting subtraction or finish subtraction. It is one and the same. So here we have taken as 6 minus 4, that is the LFT, EFT. So 6 minus 4, column number 6 minus column number 4, or it is one and the same. 5 minus 3, both the calculations will be same, okay. Whether we can take this 6 minus 4, that is the column number 6 minus column number 4, or column number 5 minus column number 3, it is one and the same, okay. Start minus, we can take start minus, or finish minus, one and the same. The answers will be same. That is the total float. So this 7 minus this LFT, that is the latest finish time and the earliest finish time. So 7 minus 4 is 3, and 3 minus 0 is again 3. So we can feed the formula here as this value minus fourth value, okay. So this we have taken as this. So these are the values for the total float. So same, we have taken as 6 minus 4 or 5 minus 3, it is one and the same. So 3 0 3 6 0, and these are the values. So this 0 indicates this 0 values, this 0 and this 0 values indicates the critical path. That means these are the critical path. So we can highlight also this critical path. So critical path are these values. So this value is 1 3 is the critical path. Next is 3 5 is the critical path. 3 5. Again 5 7 is the critical path, 7 8 8 9 8 10 and 9 10. So these are the various critical paths. 1 2 1 2, okay. 1 2, after 1 2 there is 1 2 3 5. So here critical path is nothing but 1 3. 1 3 is 0. Next is 3 5. Next is 5 7. That is 1 3 is this line is the critical path. 1 3. Next is 3 5. Yes, 3 5. Next is 5 7. 5 7 is this path. Yes, 5 7. Next is 5 7. After 5 7 it is 7 8. 7 8. Then 8 9. Then 7 8 8 9 and then 9 10. Okay, one and the same. Okay, so these are the critical path. So I am writing down here as the critical path. Critical path, that is equals to, the critical path is 1 2 3. Next is 3 2. 3 to 5. Next is 3 to 5. Next is after 3 to 5 it is 5 to 7. 5 to 7. 5 to 7. Next is 7 to 8. 7 to 8. Then next is 8 to 9. And next is 9 to 10. And its value. So again we have to add the values. So 1 to 3, 5 to 7, 8 to 9 and 9 to 10. So these are the critical path and its value is 25. So calculations values are nothing but 25. So 25 is the critical path value durations. Okay. So in this way we have to draw the critical path and we have to calculate the various activities, that is the EST, EFT, LST and LFT. So in this way in today's lectures we have calculated the various things, that is EST, LFT, LST and EFT, and depending upon this we have calculated the total float and we have drawn the network diagrams. Okay. So in next lecture again we will see some more problems related with this, and we have decided the critical path also. So here is the critical path. This critical path, it is to be drawn by double lines, so we can use the double line also highlight this arrows in order to indicate the critical path, or this double EST and LFT same values itself indicates the critical path. EST, LFT is 0 0 1 1 7 7 and 15 15 17 17 18 18 and 25 25 is the critical path. This EST and LFT which is having the same values itself indicates the critical path. 0 0 1 1 7 7 15 15 17 17 18 18 and 25 25 is the critical path. So here we will end the today's lectures. In next lecture again we will draw some more we will solve some more problems and we will calculate the various things. Okay, thank you.